Again, that should not have been too hard. The answer is, of course, a bug in the compiler. We can check all of these possible causes by the changes they have. No me would have some effect. Well, you wouldn't be able to listen to this course right now. No Richard Stallman would have a huge impact. The GNU project is the source for so much great open source software out there. So, well, we would have a very different world. Oxygen is even more important. I can't even start to begin to imagine how a world would look like. And of all these courses, fixing a bug in the compiler has by far the smallest set of assumptions and also the smallest effect, because apart from fixing the bug, apart from fixing the crash, nothing else changes, and therefore this is the actual cause.